What's up, guys? Another video here today. Great news. I got the car back. It's been a long 2 months. Just that parts take time to come in because I had it at a mechanic shop, so they had to order it from a special vendor, and that's where they get their parts from. And now we're just gonna do an overview of what they did to the car and how it is, and I'm gonna explain the details. Yeah, guys, we're gonna start the car real quick. The cluster's messed up. The mechanic verified it because whenever he was timing the engine, I don't know. I guess his timing light had it could tell you the RPMs and stuff, like a special expensive timing light, but it's not right, and I gotta get it replaced. I think I was driving the car, the speedometer didn't work. I don't know if it's a speedometer cable that I have. The horn still works. But yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna open the hood. This is the motor. I don't know why it's shaking a lot, but they put a new distributor, and they fixed the mass sensor. The one I bought where it was old, not old. The one I bought, it came it wasn't even good, so they just fixed it. Yeah, it runs and drives. It still needs some brakes work. I didn't get the brakes changed over there. There's a lot shaky. Could run better when we I don't know. I think it's great. I don't know, maybe the motor mounts are not tight enough, because I just tighten it with my hand, or not my hand, with the wrench as tight as I could. I don't know. I didn't put the torque specs on the engine mounts. Maybe that's why the engine's shaking a lot. But yeah. Let me put the exhaust. This is the exhaust. Yeah, guys, that was the sound of the exhaust. Yeah, a lot of work to do still. Got to do the brakes still. And but yeah, yeah, man, it's the engine mounts. They're getting loose. I gotta fucking fix that. But yeah, dude, there was no vacuum leaks. The problem was all the rough idling that when I was trying to time the engine last time, it wasn't, I wasn't doing stuff right. Like the old OEM map sensor was stuck open, so I was sending the signal to the fuel pump to send more fuel, and there were still vacuum leaks, and the fuel pump burnt out. So that's why I couldn't turn on the car couldn't idle last time. And then the injectors, they were clogged up because all the rough idle, all the misfiring, carbon was building up inside the injectors. So the new distributor I got, they had to get a new one because the old one, the seals blew and oil was getting all got all over the inside. So I ain't gonna mess with the distributor no more. I ain't gonna touch it. But But yeah, the headers, they already turned gold from, you know, they come silver, but when you leave them warm enough, hot enough, they'll turn to this color. This nice gold color. And but yeah, I don't know what they did. I don't know if this is the same prop rod, but they like put it inside there, and they fixed the leaks. They said I had leaks where the oil cooler was, and then they said the radiator fan out. Sometimes it gets stuck, so he said it still works. I just gotta get it, new, replaced soon. I don't know, but yeah, these guys were great with the. It's just it's a family business. Most of all of them are Puerto Rican, and you know that their car in Puerto Rico is probably this car, like, it's most famous. So yeah, I found a shop where there's a regular shop, but they also like to work on these Corollas. And but yeah, they helped me out. They're really knowledgeable. It took me a while because I needed help. Like, gradually I needed help because I don't know if I was messing up things, but I guess I was, because the rough idling messed up the fuel pump, and then the injectors got clogged. But the problem I did fix was the VSV, where the butterflies weren't closing. That's problem that I fixed, and that improved the engine to run better. But other than that, everything's good. I got some little goodies that I'm gonna install the car. This is wrapping. I gotta take this off. There you go. I got some Watanabe wheels. I gotta fix this came out of the tire stem, or where you put the air. These are some Watanabes from Japan. These are the Type B, not the Type R. I guess these are just like regular for driving, but they look cool though, and I think they look good on these wheels. Anyways, I gotta do that. The tires are used, like, I think it's only this tire where it's just scraped, maybe because they were drifting or some shit and they just hit a wall. I don't know. And then I got replacements for the tail lights. I'm gonna change those, and I'll show you right now in the video. But yeah, I'm gonna make a little quick edit of it, and then I'm gonna end the video there. There you go, guys. They have the JDM Sprinter Torino lights. I got them on Buy again. I like to buy stuff from Buy. I won these in the auction. They're all scratched up. They're scratched up, but that's okay. Like, the top piece right here is chipped. That's alright. I won these for $80. But of course, the shipping back to the US is expensive, and I paid another $80 for two small. That's because they delivered it in a big box. I guess they put a bunch of bubble wrap, even though the tail lights are already scratched up and everything. And yeah, guys, I guess quick overview again what I did. Watanabe wheels, got the car back. Yeah, I changed the water pump, timing belt, the distributor, and that to fix the fuel pump, because I guess I fucked it up and it burnt out, and I wasn't giving enough fuel pressure. So fuel pump, and then they cleaned the injectors, retimed the engine, and yeah, they got it to drive. And next is brakes. It brakes right, but the front pads are worse. I think they're coming in the mail. I got brake shoes and brake pads and new rotors, and a new wheel stud because one tripped off. And yeah, the car's coming along good. I don't know when I'll test drive it because I need to get the renew the registration. Maybe next year, because in the state of Texas, you won't need a safety inspection. You could just register your car starting January 2025. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I really appreciate you guys subscribing and staying patient. And more A6 content coming away. Just gotta get those brakes in the mail, come in, and then I'll install them, and then I'll put the new wheels I got. It's gonna look good, guys. And then maybe in the future a brake job, or not a brake job, I mean a paint job, and I don't know, maybe paint it white. I like white, but this color is already chipping and fading. And fix some rust spots. Not too long, they're not too hard to fix. Just anyways, Battle Garage just started selling fenders and little, you know, pieces of the quarter panels. I guess they like teamed up with Restore Parts, and now they're they got a shipping container full of them, and now they're selling them, which is great because I don't know, I guess Restore Parts is not from here, and like it's hard to buy from them. And I don't know how people do it, but they have other people buy it for them. I think like Shock the Mob buys it and then they sell it, and then people on eBay have it too, but like I don't trust eBay. I like to see what I get because they don't send the right thing, and it's overpriced as heck. So, but yeah. Alright, last time again, see you guys in the next video.